Employee miscommunication is one of the most frustrating issues that can derail a company, but with the right HR tools, you can significantly reduce these misunderstandings. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use HR software to avoid employee miscommunication and streamline communication in your workplace. Stick around until the end for a special offer that you can only get through this channel. Let's start by talking about the number one culprit behind most employee miscommunications: inconsistent messaging. It's common for important information to get lost in emails, forgotten in meetings, or miscommunicated across departments. HR tools can centralize all communication in one place, ensuring that messages are clear, direct, and accessible to everyone. Our software integrates messaging and task management, so you don't have to worry about important information slipping through the cracks. Another way HR tools can help avoid miscommunication is by offering real-time updates. Imagine a situation where employees need to be notified of a schedule change or an urgent policy update. Instead of waiting for emails that might get buried in an inbox, HR tools can send push notifications, ensuring employees get the information they need in real time. This eliminates the waiting game and ensures that critical updates are received immediately. Now let's talk about tracking and documentation. Miscommunication often arises from a lack of accountability or unclear expectations. With HR tools, you can create transparent records of all conversations, actions, and decisions made. Whether it's a performance review or a simple conversation about a task, having everything documented allows employees and managers to reference the history if there's ever any confusion. You'll be able to track everything, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Setting clear expectations is another key area. You've probably experienced confusion over roles, deadlines, or responsibilities. Many HR tools allow you to assign tasks with specific deadlines and objectives, making sure that everyone knows exactly what's expected of them. This helps eliminate confusion about who's doing what and by when, making communication smoother. Collaboration is essential for avoiding miscommunication as well. Some HR tools allow for team collaboration within the platform, making it easier for multiple people to stay in the loop on projects and tasks. Team members can comment directly on tasks or documents, asking questions and clarifying points in real time without the back and forth of emails or phone calls. To wrap things up, here's the key takeaway. Avoid employee miscommunication by centralizing your communication, setting clear expectations, and tracking all interactions. HR tools can help streamline all of this, making sure your team communicates efficiently, clearly, and effectively. Before we finish, remember that I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of our software, available in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to follow along with everything we covered today. To recap, centralize communication, provide real-time updates, keep track of everything, and set clear expectations. Use HR tools to make your workplace more effective and reduce miscommunication. Thanks for watching.